Meaning of exhilarated.
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 Exhilarated. Exhilarated means to feel extremely happy, excited, and energetic. It is a feeling of intense joy and enthusiasm that can come from a variety of experiences, such as achieving a goal or experiencing something new and exciting. The result of feeling exhilarated is a rush of positive emotions throughout the body, often accompanied by an increased heart rate and a sense of euphoria. People who are exhilarated may feel more confident, motivated, and energized, which can help them to tackle challenges and accomplish their goals with greater success.